Okay, welcome to Job Simulator. Why am I so close to the machine? Back up. Back up. Back up. Now this is part 1, so what 9 to 5 shall we be doing? Office worker, move, gourmet, store clerk, store clerk. Oh yeah, you guys chose store clerk?
Are you a fan of slushies and hot dogs? You'll love the convenience store.
Alright. Let's take my... Okay, by the way, why is it so short?
Human.
I'm not
Welcome to an accurate simulation of
convenience store clerk.
Hold on, let me change something real quick. I have to try and not go out of my boundary. So I gotta be careful. Okay, I'm in the table. I'm inside of the table. I'm facing. Okay. Standing. Can't go that far back cuz my bed is right there. Oh my. I didn't even I pressed the button. Okay, well that gives us more money. Bye-bye.
It was important for stores like this to maintain a constant stream of customers, so that cashiers wouldn't have time to contemplate their rapidly approaching obsolescence.
Well, hello!
Come here. Why can I not take your bow tie? Stupid monocle. Force feeding you mayonnaise. That's not mayonnaise, that's mustard.
Would you kindly put those in a bag for me?
Actually, I didn't sing anything. YouTube, I sung nothing. I'm sorry. Or whoever did the copyright.
Ah, yes.
Okay,
Much better.
$14. No,
I'll take
no
one of
5
those
figure
frozen
discount.
slushy delights.
Yay, fourth. Oh my god. Good sir, I'm so. Ooh, slushy. I just realized I can barely reach anything in the freezer. Jesus Christ. Open the freezer! Okay, do we want to supersize this freezer? Alright, you know what? We're doing next. Yeah, that's enough.
Would you kindly jumbo-size that?
Lean. Quite literally giving him a large empty cup. Gotta get that money in. Gotta get that money up, not that funny up. Alright, put that in the thing. I supersized it. You want me to... Okay, do I have to put... Okay. Borzo. My friend was saying Bozo, and I... Okay. Oh. Get in my grasp! Okay. Jump. Okay, if the recording ends, then you know why. Hold on. Let me... Why is this cord so short? Okay, there we go. Plugged in my headset. This gives me even less mobility. That's awesome. Okay. Here, now you want a jumbo size. Fat McFat.
Oh, I love the taste of sugar.
I gave you the... Here. You want it? Do I have to supersize another cup for you? Here. Grab the cup! Okay. Lebrobro. Grab the... Lebrobro. I'm filling your bottle up with mustard. Ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise. Here, you want it? You want... Oh my god. I love this job. Better call Saul. Hate this job.